Hi, welcome to all. My name is Charlotte Marron. I'm the assistant of Wilfried Nissen for this business game that we are going to play in a digital version. This short video will introduce you briefly with the system that we are going to use for this digital business game. We are basically using two systems, the Barco connected room first, and second, the lifesize connection. At HEC, we have installed a whole connected room, which allows a professor to give a class, to give a lecture to people connected all around the world using their personal device via their computer. This device will allow you to follow Wilfried Nissen's lecture during the business game. As you know, you have received a detailed planning, when is indicated when you have to connect on the Barco connected room. The connection is quite easy to do. First, please note that you have to use Google Chrome, so this is a must. So before even starting to connect, please make sure that you have Google Chrome installed as a browser. Also make sure that you are using a functional webcam, that you have a microphone and an headphone, which will allow you to have a clear lecture when you are following Wilfried's instruction online. In order to be efficient, also make sure that you are sitting in a quiet room. If you have a lot of noise around you, it will definitely be impacting the quality of the sound in the connected room. So please make sure that you are sitting in a quiet area. So, how should you connect online? Well, it's quite easy. First of all, you have to connect to the Barco system. So you can go on your Google Chrome browser and you have to type hec.edu.barco.com. You land in on this page and you have to create an account. So you have to type your name. Let's say my name is Marie. You have to type your last name, Marie-Lee, your email address. So my name is Marie-Lee @gmail.com, and I have to choose a password. Okay, so I'm typing our password, and then I agree to the terms and condition here by clicking on the checkbox. Then I create my account. My account has been registered. I can make sure that the computer is not forgetting me in the future for next session. And then I can see here that I have an active session run by Wilfried Nissen, which is the professor for your business game. I check the name of the session in order to make sure that I'm not entering another room, but here it's quite evident that this is the right one because this is the business game Hong Kong 2020. I click on it. I have to tell the computer that I'm not located physically in the room in HEC by clicking on I am remote. Once it's done, I click on finish. The computer is asking me to snap my avatar, but this is not something I'm forced to do. So if you don't want, you are not forced to do it. It's a bit slow at this time, so I will just click on next. Let's make sure that you have sound, so I can make
left channel, right channel.
Seems good on my computer, so I can skip by clicking on next. I'm checking now my microphone, so I can see that everything is functional. Okay, I'm trying to connect. So now we have just landed in the room. So here is what I can see on my computer. First, I have just close to HEC's logo, the name of the session with the name of the host, who is Wilfried Nissen, that we can see on screen. We have here the number of participants who are active in the session. So we can see at this time that there is only the professor and me, Marie-Lee, online. I have an hand raise, which means that at the moment there is 0 person raising their hand. I have here on the right side of the screen a share button, which will allow me to share my screen with the professor if the professor requests me to do so. I can decide to go full screen. I have here my personal account where I can also log out. The right columns allow me to start a chat. So if I have a question, for instance, and I don't want to interrupt the professor, I can immediately write on the chat here. So let's say, hello, professor. And then you can see, and the professor can see, that I'm sending a message to him. You might not have an immediate reaction from the professor because he might be busy, but this is the place to chat if you want to. I can see here my own face. I can see that I'm actually on air. If I want to, at the moment I can speak and the professor can hear me. And the professor also can see me because my camera is active and my micro is on. If I want to mute myself, I just have to click on this one so I can see that my microphone is mute. If I want to hide my face, I can just here deactivate my camera. And if I want to raise my hand, you can see here that you have a hand which will allow you to tell your professor that you have a question and that you request to speak. Let's see if the professor sees it. Okay, now the professor. Okay, so also on your screen you can see that you have here several elements. You have a whiteboard, you have the seat camera, which allow you to have a full vision about the classroom. You have the teacher's content and you have the teacher's camera. Let's start by the bottom. The teacher's camera is the camera that is pointed at the professor because he has a camera on his neck. So this camera will follow the professor during the lecture. So, okay, you can also see here that there is a teacher content, which is the third screen display that I can see on the left column. This is the screen who will display the PPT presentation if there is one. And you can see that you can easily switch from one to another screen. So if I want to have it full screen, I just have to click on it. If I want to switch back to the whiteboard, I just have to click on the whiteboard to have it displayed full screen. Talking about the whiteboard, you can see that the professor can write on it and it will be immediately displayed on your computer so that the professor can write on it. If you want to download it by making a snapshot, it's also feasible here. Up, and you can see that this is directly on your computer. Okay. I think that's it. Maybe we can proceed to a sound check.
Hello.
Okay, so the professor can see us and the class can start. Okay, so the last feature we haven't explored yet is the survey tool that is existing on the platform. We will have an example right now with Wilfried, who has, by the way, answered the chat box here on the right side of the column. And now you can see that there is a poll displayed on screen, and now you can choose. So the professor may ask a question orally. Is asking is the video is nice. I think it's really nice, so I would say true. And then it shows that I have answered the poll correctly. Okay. Also at the end of the poll, it can display the statistic with the result in the same area of the screen. In order to leave the room, you have to click on your profile and click on logout. Up. Okay, fine. Now you're out of the room. Well, now that we have explored the whole Barco system, let's maybe check a little bit more about lifesize. Lifesize is the system HEC is using in order to make all the students work into work groups. So, during most of your business game, you will be working on predefined teams. You will then be split in 5 teams in total: Alta, Byte, Cyber, Data, and Easy. So each group will have a dedicated virtual room where they will be able to exchange idea, work on your decision, share your screen, and the professor Wilfried Nissen will be visiting you in these 5 different virtual groups during the 3 days of seminar. maybe we can check how to connect via a virtual room which is only used for the test now. So each group will have a virtual room link. You only will have to click on this link. Then you set your mic. You can see here that the mic is working. You join the session. Okay, and then you land on this virtual room.
Vous êtes le seul participant à cette réunion.
This woman just informed me that I was the only one connected to the meeting. I'm sorry, the setting is in French, but you will see that the features are easy to manage. So you will see, as usual, you have this at the bottom line. This button will allow you to deactivate your mic or activate it based on what you want to do. You have the same button for the camera. You can decide to just activate it or deactivate it. If you want to share your screen with your teammates, you can click on this button and it will ask you which device you want to, which thing you want to share with your teammates, if it's a full screen or if it's only a window. I choose here full screen. Once the button is green, it means that I'm sharing my screen with my teammates. Basically, that's it. This is all you need. Just please be aware that Professor Wilfried Nisset might pop up from time to time in your group. So you will have the surprise to see him appear, just like magic. If you want to quit the room, you can just hang up here and you will be quitting the room. If you decide to install the lifesize app, you will be able to simply add here the number of the room that was displayed in the link I've shown you before, and you can just type it here. Typing enter is proposing you the number of the room from HEC, and you can click on activate with the camera on. And then you will be connecting again to your virtual classroom.
Vous êtes le seul participant à cette réunion.
That's it for lifesize. Well, I hope you will have a lot of fun during this business game. It will be 3 long days, I'm sure, but I'm sure you will enjoy. I wish you all a lot of fun.